Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hello to all my subscribers and all the viewers. So today guys, I'll be making an easy wraparound. This is very easy, and this fabric is from a duster that I'm wearing to wear inside the house. So I cut it. It's like this. I will show you guys the duster that I'm talking about. So this is the duster before, and I cut it here. It become like this. So I'm gonna make this one as a wraparound so that I can use this one for an emergency, when I go out that I don't want to wear a bra, so I can use this one for like covering my body. So I will show you guys. So this one, I cut this already like this big, right? So I already have this like a ribbon for later, or a string, and I have a scissor here as red and a needle. So guys, I'll be starting now. I will show you on how to fix this one. So I cut it already, like this, a 4-inch long, and I already sew it all the sides, 4 sides of it. And this corner, I'm gonna put this one, the string here, just very easy. So this part is already done. So I already attached the string on it. And now this one, this bigger one, or a little bit like wider, is here. So I'll be putting it here behind it. Okay, so I will show you later how to wear this one. So this is it. I'll be sewing it here, see, and so guys, it's done. So I already attached this one, okay, here, and the other one. So guys, I will show you on how to wear this one. This is how I wear this, girl thing wraparound. So okay, and this, like this. So this cut side must be here at the side of your body, and go like this. And tie a ribbon in here. So that's it. So that's it guys. So I can go out without wearing bra, so I just have to wear this one. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and please like, subscribe.